Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Starbucks lover like me, you know that accumulating stars through the rewards program is one of the best perks of being a regular. In this video, we're diving into how to redeem Starbucks stars in 2025 feet. It's easier than you think, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can start enjoying those free drinks and treats ASAP. First off, what's the deal with Starbucks stars? They're points you earn from purchases at Starbucks, and with the 2025 updates, redeeming them has gotten even more seamless with new app features and expanded reward options. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest Starbucks app installed on your phone. If you don't have an account, download the app and sign up. It's free and takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, head to the Rewards tab at the bottom of the screen. That's where the magic happens. Step 2. Check your stars balance. You'll see a clear display of how many stars you have accumulated. For 2025, Starbucks has introduced a new Star Summary feature that shows your recent earnings and upcoming expiration dates. Super helpful to avoid losing points. Step 3. Browse your redemption options. Scroll through the list of rewards, which now includes exclusive 2025 items like limited edition drinks or merchandise. Select the item you want. For example, if you have 25 stars, you could redeem a free tall brewed coffee. Don't forget, some rewards might require more stars, so plan accordingly. Step 4. Confirm your redemption. Hit the Redeem button, and you'll get a confirmation code or digital coupon right in the app. Show this at a Starbucks store or use it for mobile orders. Pro tip. If you're redeeming for in-store use, make sure your stars don't expire. They typically last a year, but check the app for exact dates. Finally, a few extra tips for 2025. Look out for bonus star events, like double stars on weekends, and link your credit card for automatic tracking. If you run into issues, the app's chat support is top-notch. There you have it. Redeeming your Starbucks stars is straightforward and rewarding. Go ahead and treat yourself. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.